Mm. Cherrywood bacon and dried cherry shortbread. This is really out of the archives. Mm. So good. You use part butter and part bacon fat, and it is such a treat, like sweet savory. It's great for like a wine tasting. Mm. Or breakfast. Shortbread snap. It's really good. This cookie is so quick. We've got some soft butter, we've got some soft bacon fat, we've got some sugar, we've got flour, we've got a little salt, we've got vanilla, we've got cooked cherrywood bacon, and we've got dried cherries. You're simply going to mix that together. I chill it post. There's that flour getting dropped in to bring it all together, but you could do it without the bacon fat if you're vegan. A little water if you need to bring it together. It was a little dry when I made these. Then you're going to roll it up, put it in your log just like Pillsbury, but actually good and no chemicals. You're going to form that, get it all rolled up, drop it in the fridge, chill it. Then you're going to bake it 350 till they're crispy and delicious.